Hey guys, welcome back to another Film Channel. Today we'll be reviewing the Xiaomi 13. So now, for beautiful OLED display, three lenses on the back, the 32 megapixel front camera, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, 8 GB RAM, 5000 mAh fast charging battery, 128 GB optical fingerprint sensors placed on the screen, and beware of memory is non-expandable. Now let's go to the word.
From photography to watching movies and playing games to editing videos, there are plethora of tasks that can be worked upon with the Xiaomi 13. There is a feature for camera on the front that can be used to create brilliant social media content. It also has a large battery that enables user to work for long hours without interruption. Next is one smartphone for all your needs. There are three subdivision: display and camera, configuration, battery, storage, and connectivity. That is gone viral.
So display and camera. Xiaomi used 13 uses a 6.2 inches OLED display that enabled users to scroll over media posts as well as play games with high quality. This display also has a resolution of 2400 into 1018 pixels and pixel density of 424 ppi. The rear side camera composition of the Xiaomi 13 includes a 50 megapixel main lens, a 30 megapixel ultra wide lens, angle lens, and 50 macro lens for customization as per the environmental condition. It also offers two types of settings: ISO control, exposure compensation. A 32 mega main camera is also present on the front side of the Xiaomi 13.
Configuration battery: the Xiaomi 13 configures a chipset of Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 backed by an 8-core CPU. This CPU is made up of Cortex X2, Cortex A700, and 2.5 GHz Cortex A500 processor layout. The brand has also installed Adreno 730 GPU, 8 GB RAM for better performance of the device. Early polymer Type 5000 mAh battery is available within the Xiaomi 13. This battery can be removed from the smartphone, and it also supports a fast charging system. Storage and connectivity.
Storage and connectivity. Talking about Xiaomi 13 internal memory, it comes with a 128 of GB of space. There's no option for its expansion. Now for connectivity features, the Xiaomi phone supports a GPS, Wi-Fi 4, VoLTE, NFC, mobile hotspot, 5G, USB Type-C, and Bluetooth version 5.1. Thanks for watching the video. That's all, man. Daniel.
My name is John.
This is Tech Insider signing out.
Signing
Bye.
off. Bye bye.